Hello, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. I am a subject teacher of social study, and in our last video, we have discussed about chapter number 13, and chapter name is Needs and Want. And in this video, we are going to discuss about the worksheet of the chapter. So, first of all, let's have a quick overview on the chapter number 13. Chapter name is Needs and Want. So, first of all, we will know about what is needs. A needs is something that is necessary for an organism to live a healthy life. For example, air, water, food, shelter. And after that, we will know about what is want. Want are desire for goods and services we would like to have but do not need. They are not necessary for our survival. For example, big house, a new car, another pair of jeans. So now come on the exercises. So look at the exercise one by one. Mark the following statement as true or false. So student, in this exercise you have to give answer according to the given statement. If a statement is right, then your answer will be true, and if the statement is wrong, then your answer will be false. Now look at the first. Air, water and food are our only needs. If this statement is right or wrong? Wrong, because air, water and food are not only our needs. There are many other more needs. So this statement is wrong. So our answer will be false, and you have to write false at this given box, and here false is already written. Now look at the second. We should ensure that all our needs are met before spending on our want. Yes, because we should, first of all we should spend on our want, because first of all we should spend on our need, because need are necessary for our survival, and after that we should spend on our want, because want are not necessary for our survival, and we can live without want but we cannot live without need. So we should ensure that all our needs are met before spending on our want. This statement is right, so our answer will be true, and you have to write true at this given box, and here true is already written. Now look at the third. We can live without getting what we want, but we cannot live without getting what we need. Is this statement is right or wrong? This statement is right, because we can live without getting what we want. It means you can say we can live without want, but we cannot live without need. So this statement is right, and you have to write true at this given box, and here true is already written. Now look at the fourth number. Our needs are unlimited but our wants are limited. This statement is right or wrong? Wrong, because both are unlimited. So you have to write false at this given box, and here false is already written. Now look at the next exercise, that is second. Choose the correct answer. Here in this exercise you have to give answer according to the given option. It means you have to choose the correct option from the given option. Look at the first. Neil wanted his parent to buy him a new pair of football boots because, your option A, his old boots were damaged. Your option B, he didn't have football boots. Your option C, he wanted the latest model. Your option D, he wanted them as a birthday gift. Which option is correct? Your option C is correct, because he wanted the latest model. So you have to take the option C, and here option C is already ticked. Now look at the next, that is second number. This is a need for everyone. So which is the need for everyone? Your option A is a large house. Option B, a computer. Option C, a heater. Option D, nutritious food. Which is necessary and need for everyone? Option D, nutritious food, because we cannot live without food, and nutritious food is a need for everyone. So option D is correct, and you have to take option D, and here option D is already ticked. Now look at the answer the following question. Here in this exercise you have to give answer according to the given question. Now look at the first question. What is the difference between a need and a want? Explain with an example. Answer. Needs. A need is something that is necessary for an organism to live a healthy life. For example, air, water, and shelter. Wants. Wants are desires for goods and services we would like to have but do not need. They are not necessary for our survival. For example, big house, a new car. So, student, these are the difference between the need and want, because we cannot survive without need, but we can survive without want. And air, water, and shelter are the example of need, and big house, a new car is the example of wants. Now look at the question number second. What kind of food should we first spend money on? Answer. First of all, we should spend money on nutritious food because it is our need. So we should make sure that all our needs are met. So student, first of all, we should spend money on need because need is very important and necessary for us, and we cannot survive without need. So we should spend money on needs firstly. Now look at this third question. What will happen if we start spending lavishly on our want? Answer. We do not have money for our needs if we start spending lavishly on our want. So student, we didn't left money we didn't left money to meet our needs, so we should spend money carefully. Now look at the next, that is question number 4. Why do we need to understand clearly what our needs are and what our wants are? Answer. First of all, we should spend money on our needs, and after that want, because need are important for our survival. So we need to understand clearly what our needs and what our wants. So student, we should clarify that what our needs and what our want, because need is something we cannot live without, like air, food, and water. But there are other things that we would like to have, but they are not necessary for our survival. For example, a big house, a new car, another pair of jeans. So student, I hope you all understood about the exercises, and you have to done this exercise in your CW copy. This is your today's homework. That's all, and thank you.